All right, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to make tacos that are good for losing body fat and building muscle. So these are the ingredients that we need. We're gonna grab us some low-calorie tortillas because they have way less calories than regular tortillas, making these way better for fat loss. And you can get this from any grocery store pretty much. The next ingredient we need are gonna be some taco seasonings. You can pretty much get any one you want because the calories on these are very low. If you're trying to make tacos for fat loss, then you wanna get you some ground meat that is at least 93% lean. You don't want to get the one that is only 80% lean because the leaner it is, the lower the calories and the higher the protein. And that's what we need for losing body fat and building muscle. We're either going to get 93% lean ground turkey or ground beef or ground chicken or even 99% lean meat. I like to do 93% lean because it's a little bit more flavorful because it has a little bit more fat, but not too much. We're also going to get some shredded lettuce. These are actually really good because the lettuce are shredded. It helps you get shredded. And that's actually where shredded abs come from. I'm just playing. We're also going to get diced onions. And you can find diced onions at your local supermarket or grocery store. I think they mean the same thing. It'll be in this area. Now, wife, am I getting the white onions or the purple onions? So we're getting the white onions. Next, we're going to get some low-fat, actually fat-free cheese. Now, the good thing about cheese is that the more cheese you are able to acquire in your life, the easier it is for you to get in shape because you'll be able to afford more supplements, you'll be able to afford coaching, you'll be able to afford different things. And when I say cheese, I'm talking about that money. But what also comes along with more cheese? More problems. As the great philosopher Biggie Smalls once said, more cheese, more problems. I don't know, more money, more problems. But yeah, definitely you're gonna get some fat-free cheese. All right, so the first step, we're gonna spray our pan with some cooking spray. Just a little bit. Now we're gonna add our 93% lean ground turkey to the pan. All right, so now we're gonna break it down a little bit in the pan. All right, so now we're gonna season the meat. Season, 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 season. All right, so now we're gonna add our onions. We're adding our onions. Yeah, perfect, just like that. See, we're adding our onions to the meat and we're gonna let that cook down. Now we're adding the taco seasoning. All right, so right now, right, what I'm doing, I'm my wife, you know what I'm saying? I have to take over to perfect the recipe, is we just mixing all the seasonings and now it's ready to go. This is beautiful. This is all, you know, taste test. Oh, that's good. All right, so now we have our pan and we're going to lay out the 6 tortillas and we're gonna add the meat to 1/2 of the tortilla, just like this. Go ahead, baby, just a little bit. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna put our fat-free cheese on the tacos. All right, now we're gonna put a little bit of lettuce on each taco. Now, just so you guys know, we're putting a little bit of ingredients in each taco just to make sure that they come out looking right for you. But if you don't care about the presentation, you can load these bad boys up. Little bit of lettuce, little bit of green. You know, like I said before, the more green you have. Yeah, you thought I was gonna finish that, didn't you? Now we're gonna fold the tortillas over. So we're folding the tacos up. All right, so now we're just gonna give it a little spritz with the cooking spray. Just a little spritz, light spritz. We don't wanna add too many calories to it. A little spritz, spritz. Now use your hand just to rub it in a little bit. Yeah. Rub the cooking spray in. We are rubbing the cooking spray in. Now we're going to put it in the oven, temperature 425 for 10 minutes, or until it's crispy. I saw somebody say that on YouTube. I liked it. Now we're going to take it out after our 10 minutes, and look at that. That looks beautiful. I can't wait to try it. Look at it. Try the Better You Better Society low-calorie, high-protein tacos. Reach your fitness goals, then satisfy your cravings. All right, so now we're gonna do a taste test. It's a little hot, so I might burn myself, but hopefully not. That's really good. What would make this better is if I had like a dipping sauce. But yeah, this is really good. So you guys, give it a shot and enjoy. And make sure you subscribe and all of that good stuff. If you need a meal plan and a workout plan for you to follow, I have pre-made meal plans and workout plans, a whole lot of great stuff on my app. It's like mostly free, but to unlock everything, it's $10 a year. And if you would like to work with me one-on-one for like a customized plan and accountability, then fill out the application for fitness coaching and I will speak to you soon. But that's it. Peace out and have a great day. We're also going to get some shredded lettuce. Shredded lettuce. Lettuce that have been shredded.
This diligent woman who was virtuous, and she stayed with me. And now I'm here to tell you today that if you don't conquer your lust.
Oh, also, you need a wife because she's going to be the one actually cooking this.
It will be the very thing that breaks you and is crushing me.
Probably going to fast forward some of these parts so it moves fast like they do on YouTube videos. It's going to sound like.
Because I see so many brothers and sisters in the kingdom that are missing it on purpose because of lust.
All right, so that's it. We're going to take it out. All right.
Come on, we gotta do this.
Number